Vision channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Cooler Master TD300 Mesh Series Contemporary Polygon Mesh Fast Small Tower PC case. So friends, this multi-dimensional polygon mesh panel is meant to breathe well and act as a filter, preventing dust from entering. And friend, it allows a variety of cooling solution, including the ability to attach a huge radiator on the front top, and the left side feature a integrated tempered glass panel. And on the front, the cooling fan is fitted with two 120 mm diameter Sickle Flow 120 mm ARGB fans as standard, and it is possible to install a maximum of 120 mm into 3 or 140 mm into 2 front, 120 mm or 140 mm into 2 top, and 120 mm into 1 rear. And friend, the front and top of the water cooled radiator may be mounted up to 280 mm in diameter, while the rear can be mounted up to 120 mm in diameter. And friend, two 3.5 inch or 2.5 inch side bed and two 2.5 inch bays with 4 expansion slot comprise the Type-A. And friend, depending on the arrangement, the try cage can be shifted or removed. And friend, the graphics card may be up to 344 mm in length, the CPU cooler can be up to 166 mm in height, and the power supply unit can be between 140 and 325 mm in depth. And friend, the MicroATX Mini-ITX is the corresponding form factor. And friend, the front IO has two USB 3.2 Gen.2 Type-A ports and audio input or output, a single ARGB PWM HUB. And friend, the external measurements are 210 mm in width, 366.5 mm in depth, and 410 mm in height. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.